Hey guys, it's Cannon here with RV Station, and today we're going to take a look at the very cool Puma 28FQDB from Palomino. DB stands for double bunks. It means it's got the two bunks over each other in the corner. It's awesome. And as you might imagine, it is the absolute perfect coach with families, for kids. There's a ton of great features in this RV. But the main things I would like to focus on are definitely number one, the floor plan. It's got the new fold out aluminum step, just like a high dollar, like high $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 RV. It's got the stainless steel package, reefer, ovens, things like that. Actually, just come on, let's go take a look. I'll walk you through it. It'll be awesome. Okay guys, here we are. The Palomino Puma 28FQ, like right off the bat, you can see how gorgeous it is. Front diamond plating to protect you from chips when you're towing it. 30-gallon bottles. You have power jack. It makes it a lot easier. Remember the old days, you'd have to twist. Just get to your campground, you push a button, pops right off. It's phenomenal. Aluminum skinned to keep the weight down. Easy towable for a half ton. Guys, if you notice on this trailer, Palomino really focuses on some cool stuff. So you can see the awning. A lot of OEs, a lot of manufacturers building trailers, you'll get a little awning. It's almost a full length awning. Very cool feature. Okay, so this is a new aluminum style. If you can see, I'm sitting on this very, very strong aluminum style entry step. Guys, you don't see this on entry level. So this is an entry level Puma trailer. It's phenomenal. Watch this. This is the same step you see on my $80,000, $90,000 Montana. It's the #1 fifth wheel in the country. Same style. Put it right in there, door shuts, boom, you go down the road, you get to where you're going. Remember the old ones, they would fold out, they were kind of flimsy. You see it on a lot of OEs still. They're doing it to save money. Palomino doesn't cut any corners. It's pretty awesome. Full grab on handle, and you can see again how strong it is. It's pretty cool. The 28FQDB features the outside kitchen. So you got two bunk over bunk inside. We'll get there in a minute. Outside reefer, full sink, and a hot plate. The hot plate's awesome. This all slides in and out. You can barbecue in the morning, at night, however you want to do it. It's pretty awesome. It's a great feature. Full walk-on roof. This ladder, you could get up there, could take up to 300 pounds. You get up there, watch the race at NASCAR or whatever. Spare tire, it's the actual size of the tire, which is pretty cool. All your satellite hookups are out here. Big slide on this coach. You're great, your tanks are away from the activity side, so when you get to the park, nothing's on the activity side. That's pretty standard in the RV industry now. Clamp style windows, everything's clamped in. There is no screws, you don't see any screws for leaks. Much better on leaks. Again, let's check out the inside. We've gone through the front, there's a little storage here. Want to kind of jump inside and give you a tour. Come on. So come on in this one's awesome. So I have 5 kids. I've been RVing in everything from pop-up tents to 40-foot diesels. And to be honest with you, my kids love this coach the most. If you look, it's got the double over double bunk, which is awesome. Sleep 2 kids comfortably, or the bigger kids, 1 each, which is awesome right in here. Kids love this, man. This is their space. When they get in this trailer, they love this area. It's their area. It's pretty cool. Great big bathroom. One of the greatest things of the 28FQDB is look at that shower. Look at how big it is. I mean, it's literally just, it's phenomenal. It's got a great big skylight. I'm 6'6", about 220 pounds, and look how much room I have. I mean, it is phenomenal. I'm in here, I'm comfortable. I'm not in my tight little half bath, half shower anymore. I am very comfortable. It's phenomenal. Great room for the John, great sink. It's got little toothbrush holders. It's awesome. It's got your medicine cabinet here. Lots of room. They started putting them in the corner to get you more room. Awesome, awesome feature. Full flip down bed here. So you can have one kid, or 2 kids, 2 smaller. This makes a bed, and I folded this down for this. This is a full U dinette. This could literally seat 6 people comfortably, very, very comfortably for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's got a lot of room in it. This has room for, I think, up to a 32-inch TV. It's already got the sound bar in. A lot of them come with TVs. This one's optional. We do have the TV. We have it taken out and put it in storage, but it does come with a 32-inch TV. So this is a big full 8 cubic foot reefer. A lot of guys are putting 6 in there. So it's one of the biggest in the industry standard. So it's all stainless steel package. If you see the oven, stainless steel, the microwave, stainless steel. This is stuff you guys see in high-end homes. I mean, they're just not cutting any corners. One piece molded countertop. It's all molded. There's no seams. Pretty awesome. Tons of storage for your dishes. More storage underneath. As you can see, the cabinets, the colors in this thing they just pop, guys. This thing is an awesome unit. A ton of value for the money. All controlled, just like at home. Your controlled air conditioning and heat, super easy. You just dial it up to where you want it. Perfect. Little coat hangers. Then you got mom and dad's room. Storage on both sides for closets and a full queen. Okay, and underneath the queen, you're gonna have storage. If you look, big storage for extra blankets and extra campers. Guys, it's real tough to beat the value of a Palomino Puma. The Puma 28FQ, like I said, it's like one of my favorites. It's phenomenal. It's a ton of value. So this is the 10-foot cubic reefer. This is 10 foot. And it's phenomenal. It's propane. It's two-way. So it's gas or electric. So it's automatic. So you could just switch it to either. Huge freezer. I mean, you could put a ton of hamburger in here. And you can set it to your temperature as well if you want it max. If you're going to stuff this with venison or hamburger, I mean, look at that. It's an enormous freezer. Remember how they used to be real small? And again, the fridge is just, it's huge. You got vegetables, milk cartons. I mean, this thing is a big thing. These refrigerators, guys, are what they used to put in like motorhomes, 250, 350. They're putting residentials in there now, but this is very adequate for a good week, even 2 weeks. Oven, this is an all stainless steel oven. It's pretty awesome. They went with the glass. They got the new microwaves. It's all stainless steel package. A great big sink. If you notice, you got a ton of room in this sink. The sink is phenomenal. It's all stainless steel. Your mom can put her big pot under there. It's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome, guys. So there you have it, guys. I like this RV a lot. I mean, I've been in a ton of RVs, from Class A's to trailers, small trailers, tents. I've been in all. I've been doing it my whole life. It's one of my favorite coaches. If you're dreaming about getting out there and camping this season with your kids, this unit's a jewel. It's absolutely the perfect balance between roominess and towability. Your half-ton truck is going to pull it so easily. So guys, remember, at RV Station, we want to fit you and your family into the perfect RV. Is the Puma 28FQDB the one for you? I don't know, but we'll find out when you come visit us at RV Station and rvstation.com. Okay guys, so if you've enjoyed this video or found it to be entertaining, probably could be a little bit more entertaining. I'm sorry, I'll try harder. Informative, or if you think someone you know may get something from it, would you please share it? Maybe post it on Facebook, send it to some people in a text. Help us get the word out about units like this one, and of course about RV Station and rvstation.com.